Hello, welcome to my channel. Day 32 of 3 words and expressions of a handwritten day. Quick review first. 打印 print 网络 network 耳机 earphone 评论 comment 留言 leave a message 回答 answer 筷子chopstick 刀叉 knives and forks 勺子 spoon Today let's learn 入口出口关闭 in Chinese characters. First one for today 入口入 口入口 means entrance. 入口入口 entrance. 口entrance 入口出口 exit 出口吃乌出科欧口出口 exit 出口口出口 exit 关闭歌乌安关波一闭关闭 means close 关闭 close the window 关上窗子关闭闭门才关闭 close 入口入口入口 entrance 出口出口出口 exit 关闭关闭关闭 close. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.